Good stuff. All right, let's move on to the next one. We have not talked about SOFI.
Ooh,
Yeah, this was our staple stock for a long, long, long time. The reason we were not talking because the stock was running up, and then most recently, what happened is that they decided to have a $750 million in, I think, the notes. So there's basically taking on additional debt, and that's why we had this massive gap down that you see
interesting.
what 4 days ago. I think it was what Tuesday or Wednesday, one of those days that the news came out.
Yeah.
As soon as the stock fell below it's all SMAs, it just popped up on my radar again. I'm like, you know what, I'm interested back again. So here's a trade idea that I am considering. I haven't really finalized, but a $7 put for May 17, and that's about 38 put to call. So let me also tell you exactly how much you will get on the premium. This is
So you're
what
talking about selling a cash secured put at
selling
the
a cash
$7?
security. Exactly. So for a $7, you'll get about 60 cents.
Wow.
Yeah.
60. So you're getting like 8% or something like that? What
Yeah.
is that?
For about what, 68 days to expiration? That's not
That's
bad.
nice. That's not bad at all.
And anytime the stock falls around the $7 mark is when I really get interested.
Yeah, it looks like it held support there at 732 pretty nicely, actually. Right around that 730 level, the 78.6% fib. And yeah, so that, I mean, it bounced there twice and then started moving back higher after the big sell off on Tuesday. So that'd be a definite level of support that I think, like you said, selling the $7 cash secured put is a pretty decent spot because of that support level.
That's the plan. Sean, what do you think? What is how does it look to you?
I think for me, I mean, obviously you see the buyers coming in at 732, like you said, Nate. But for me, if I see 732 break, maybe down to kind of 690 ish, come back up to that kind of 732 level, that's kind of maybe where I'd enter a short as well. I mean, depending, obviously, market depending as well. So a little bit of a contrarian view. I like SoFi as a company. Obviously, they're growing, they're doing great, profitable, which is nice, or gap profitable at least. But you can see where the buyer dippers are coming in, that's for sure. But if it breaks, then the harder the support, the harder the fall. Whatever you say it.
True story. Yeah, I think that's it. I think that's how they say
I'll take it. Yeah. You know what I mean.
it. That's right. We got another question about SoFi, real quick. Looking like a short to you here?
Um,
They'd have to break
That's
that
what.
that support
yeah,
line, right, John?
yeah.
Yeah,
You have to break that 732, and actually right below 732 is also a decent chunk of buying that comes in. So those are a couple levels that you'll have to see to break.
Yeah,
it's
tough to
definitely
short
possible though.
here. Yeah. I think that I would need to see more, and I would actually
Yeah,
like to short it at a rejection if it got back to 9, and then that's where you want to short it. Look at that resistance, right? If it rejected again, but yeah, I think it's a little tough here for that. By the way, everybody out there sending in questions and comments, we see you. Appreciate you tuning in, Sebastian and Calvin, Sabrina, everybody else out there. Keep them coming. Send in your ticker requests. We'll get some to them at the end. I'm taking notes here, you guys, so we don't miss anything.